Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Splice. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we'll search about Splice and we click in this page of app. On for we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we click on Play Store. You will search about Splice. If you find updates, then we'll update your app to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.